Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to add additional language in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your app time and language, go to your language and region, click on and language. Select a language which is want to install it. For example, in my case is Urdu. So here is a Urdu. Click on next button. Click on install. Now downloading process will be started. Now here is close it. Now you can see that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.